Meaning of HMO.
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 HMO. HMO stands for Health Maintenance Organization, which is a type of healthcare insurance plan that limits coverage to care from doctors who work for or contract with the HMO. HMOs require members to choose a primary care physician, PCP, who acts as a gatekeeper to coordinate and authorize all medical services. HMOs typically have lower premiums and out-of-pocket costs than other types of insurance plans, but they also limit patients' flexibility in choosing their healthcare providers. Despite some limitations, HMOs have been successful in improving the quality and cost-effectiveness of healthcare services for members.